How to set up the fireball when it exits from fireball zone. In case of the fireball go out from the fireball zone, it must be destroyed. So here what we have to quote. As you see, the fireball will be destroyed when it is out from the fireball zone. To do that, guys, first select your fireball, then please select the add component and select rigid body 2D. Just be sure that the gravity scale is set to 0. Then, guys, you have to go to your Visual Studio script, I mean the ball script, and guys, you just must add just below the ontrigger enter 2D method that we have already coded. You must add a new method. This is the ontriggerexit 2D method. Because the ball must be destroyed when you quit, when you exit from the fireball zone. So guys, you have to write inside this statement. So if the tag of the object that you quit is a fireball zone, so you have to destroy the ball, I mean the fireball. So guys, you must even be sure that when you select your fireball, you have tagged it as fireball zone. Please do it in case you didn't do that. So guys, save your script and return to Unity and see the effect. To exit from the fireball zone, guys, you have to use the ontriggerexit 2D method.